Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to train a chatbot in Chatbase in 2026. Whether you're building a customer support bot, a sales assistant, or a personal AI helper, training your chatbot is simple, so let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open the AI agent you want to train from your dashboard. Next, go to the *knowledge* or data sources ** section. Yeah, this is where you'll add the information your chatbot will learn from. Now, upload PDF files, text documents, or connect your website by entering its URL. You can also paste text manually or use other supported data sources to provide knowledge for your chatbot. Once your content has been added, let Chatbase process the information. This may take a few moments depending on the amount of data you've uploaded. After the training is complete, open the chat preview and ask a few questions to test the chatbot's responses. If needed, update your content or instructions to improve the quality of the answers. And that's it. You've successfully trained your chatbot in Chatbase. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.